All right, everybody. We are back today and we're going to be talking about tally marks. Now remember, tally marks are the little marks we make when we count. So we can keep track of how many we have. And we just make little lines on our paper. So we've done tally marks several different times throughout the year so far. But today I thought we could do some tally marks with a survey. A survey is just a question, and I asked several of my family and my friends if which fruit that they liked best. Now, these are fruits that grow on trees. So I picked apples, pears, and peaches. So I've had 3 fruits that grow on trees, and I said, which one of these 3 fruits is your favorite? And whatever they answered, I made 1 mark next to the fruit that they chose, right? And that's how we can keep track of how many people like each one. So what we can do is we can now look and say, apples, how many people liked apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people liked apples. How many people said they liked pears the best? 1. Very good. And how many people said they liked peaches the best? 1. 2. Nice. 2 people liked peaches the best. So here's what you can do. You can choose 3 different foods that grow on trees. You can choose these, or you can choose different ones. If you can think of some other foods that grow on trees, feel free to use those. And you're going to ask your friends and your family which one is their favorite and mark their answers with a tally mark. And then you're going to show us how many people liked each one of the foods you picked. I can't wait to see what happens.